What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you're watching The Deal Finder. Tuesday, February 25th, and we do have an exciting video for you today. We're finally at Sam's Club for the first time, and we're starting the video off with a bang. We have the top clearance items available at Sam's Club. In the number one spot from Alltech Lansing, we have their Mix 2.0, their Everything Proof Bluetooth party speaker. They call it Everything Proof because it is IP67, which is nice. This has 20 hours of battery life on clearance here at Sam's Club for $49.91. It's also available at samsclub.com for the same exact price. In the number two spot, right below it from Ion, we have their Retro Glow Bluetooth speaker. Now this is also available at samsclub.com for the same exact price. Has up to 10 hours of battery life. Now this does bring back some memories, back to the 80s, back to the 90s. We got that cassette deck. Check out that price, $49.91. Same price at the warehouse, same price online. In the number three spot, we've seen this in my Costco videos from Shocks. These are the open run, open ear wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now these headphones are pretty nice. Now they don't actually sit in your ear canal. They rest on the outside. That's what makes them pretty special. Now here at Sam's Club, we have a variety of different colors you can choose from. All three colors, black, blue, and red, are all on clearance. They're also available at samsclub.com for the same price, $74.91. In the number four spot from Power A, we have your Fortnite Peely accessory pack for the Nintendo Switch. Pretty cool pack, I must admit. Now, if you have any Fortnite fans, any loved ones who love Fortnite, who have the Nintendo Switch, this would make an awesome gift. It's on clearance here at Sam's Club. Same price at samsclub.com. Now, here it is. It does include 3 Fortnite licensed accessories. You get the case, you get the controller, and you get the earbuds. $35.91. What a great package deal. This is on clearance, and it's also available at samsclub.com. In the number five spot, we have the Qi Ultra Slim Magnetic Phone Accessory Kit. Here it is directly in front of me. What do you get? You get the Qi 5000 mAh Ultra Slim Power Bank. Now this does have a fast charge up to 15 watts. It does come with an Ultra Slim Mag phone wallet that fits up to 6 cards, a 360-degree phone stand, and a magnetic adapter ring, which is included. $29.91 on clearance. Same price at samsclub.com. And now from Apple, in the number 6 spot, we have their Pencil. This is their first generation with a USB-C adapter for the iPad 9 and the iPad 10th generation. So this is pretty nice here. It's on clearance. Now this is the same price here at the warehouse and the same thing as samsclub.com, $78.91. Now, if you are enjoying today's video, friends, and you do want to support the channel, all we ask is for you to hit that thumbs up button at the end of the video if you did enjoy it. If you want us to continue to make Sam's Club video and you enjoy this type of video, leave a comment below. Let us know if you want us to continue making these Sam's Club videos. Right in front of us in the number 7 spot, we have the Post-it. These are the super sticky notes, 3x3 inches, canary yellow, 24 pads in total, $14.91. But here's the kicker. It's actually cheaper at samsclub.com for $9.91. That's a nice $5 savings. We have another variation here, the Post-its. Now these are also 3x3 on clearance as well, so you can pick up either or. I am filming the actual wrong product, but let's scroll up, have a look at these instead. These are the flat notes, $12.91, also 3x3 as well. Also, friends, just a quick reminder, we are doing a giveaway over on my Instagram page. Just click that link in the description, follow the directions from there, and you will enter our giveaway, a free Costco membership. If you already have a membership, just return it, get that $65 credit, and spend it on some groceries, or you can just give away the membership. Very easy to enter. I have basically no followers, so it should be a pretty simple giveaway. Everyone has a great shot at winning as long as you enter, and it is handled by a third-party company. And now right in front of me from Members Mark, we have their Tea Party set, 18 pieces, $7.73. We just missed the Members Mark kitchen appliances. I was busy talking. That was $7.34. Both of them on clearance. What a great price. Another great toy item for our little ones at home from Members Mark. We have their 5-pack of dinosaurs here. These have lights, they have sounds, pretty cool. You can create your own little Jurassic Park at your house. Here it is right in front of us. Now this is a very good price here for a 5-pack of dinosaurs, only $5.61. Check out that discount. As most of you know, I do have to do a little bit extra work. That way I can stand out in my videos. I am new to YouTube, only 6 months in, and I do need all the help I could get. So what I like to do is I like to cross-reference a vast majority of products I show you. I cross-reference it here at the warehouse, also online. This one from Alessis, it's in the number 10 spot. We have their Harmony 61 Pro on clearance. Now this is their portable keyboard here. Now this is great for both beginners and experienced players. It does come with a 3-month membership that's included. That way you can learn how to play keyboard. Now check out that discount, $68 off, $119.91. It's $20 cheaper at samsclub.com. You can grab it there for $99.91. Now, even though Valentine's Day is over, we still have some leftover chocolate here at the warehouse. From Lindt, we have the Lindor. Now, this is a strawberries and cream. I've never tried this flavor, but I do like this brand. I like their chocolates. I believe they're Swiss chocolates, French. Now, leave a comment below if you've tried this. Do you like it? $6.41 on clearance. Right above it, we have the fortune cookies. Now, check these out from Exchange Set. We do get a 24-pack here of fortune cookies. These are also on clearance from Valentine's Day, $3.91. And next up from Members Mark, we have their holiday snacks. Now these are the variety pack. We do get a 100 count here, 70 calories per pouch. Now it does have 17 grams of carbs, 12 grams of added sugar, 0 protein. But here they are, a 100 pack for $8.91 on clearance here at Sam's Club. And let's keep the pace moving, friends. Around the corner, we have an outdoor heater I did want to show you. Here it is. My camera is a little bit wonky right now, but that's okay. We'll try to get it fixed ASAP. We have the Members Mark. This is a great powder-coated patio heater. Now, it does include a nice LED table, which is nice. Here it is directly in front of us. Now, this is on clearance, has 5,000 BTUs. It's an outdoor gas heater, good for up to 300 square feet, has an easy start ignition, and it's priced at $120.48. Now, these are sold out at samsclub.com, so you do have to grab it at the warehouse. So here we have another great product from Members Mark. We have their 22-inch smokeless wood fire pit. Now this does include some nice accessories, even an all-weather cover. It's 304 stainless steel, which is nice. It's priced at $160.56. Now this is also available at samsclub.com. A limited time deal from Frito-Lay in the number 15 spot. We have their barbecue and cheddar variety pack of chips. Now we do get 50 packs total. We get 8 Lay's barbecue, 8 Fritos barbecue, 10 Doritos barbecue, 12 Ruffles queso, and then 12 Lay's cheddar sour cream. Check out that price, $14.41. In the number 16 spot, this time from Ninja, we have their Creamy. This is their ice cream and sorbet maker. It has 7 different frozen treat programs, and it also includes 3 different pints and lids, which is nice. You have a few extra on your hand. Now this is very easy to use. All you gotta do is simply prep your base, freeze it overnight, and then pop it right into the machine and process it. Now you can pretty much turn almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, or milkshake, which is pretty awesome. Now what I like about it, it's completely customizable. You can pretty much make any type of ice cream, sorbet, or milkshake you want. It's on clearance for $139.91. It's also available at samsclub.com for the same price. And next up from GE, we have a couple of different options when it comes to lighting. We have some smart lightings and we have some bulbs. Right in front of us, we have the Sync. Now these are from GE. These are full color smart recessed lighting. Now these are can retrofits. Now they come in a 2-pack here. You have to have recessed lighting cans to use these. Now they fit 5 and 6 inch fixtures and they're compatible with Google and Alexa. Check out that price for a 2-pack, $32.12. And then to my left, we have an option for an LED bulb that does come in a 4-pack. Now these are also from GE, on clearance, 100 watts, a 4-pack. They have a nice soft white to them. Check these out. These are on clearance as well for $12.86, A19 bulbs, and we do get a 4-pack here. And to my left, again, another great deal from GE. We have their sink. These are the indoor and your outdoor smart plug bundle pack here. So you get one of each. You get one indoor plug and then you get one outdoor plug. One of each. Pretty nice. No hub necessary. On clearance, $24.10. Also works with voice control, Google, and Alexa. And I do have one more bulb from you, also from GE as well. Now these are their 4-pack of daylight bulbs. Very nice, 100 watts. Check these out as well. They're 819s, $12.86. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more unique, we have the Energizer. These are the rechargeable light bars. They're 9.5 inches in length. We get a 2-pack here. They're motion sensing, they're magnetic, and they have LEDs. These are pretty nice. A lot of people like to mount them underneath their cabinets. Some people like to mount them inside their drawers, so when you open a drawer, it'll light up, which is pretty nice. You could put them in the bathroom, so when you get up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, you don't have to turn the lights on fully. You can mount these, that way they don't wake you completely up. Now these are on clearance. A variety of different ways you can use these. $20.12. They're also available at samsclub.com for the same price. Another great product from Members Mark, we have their blackout curtains. Now these do come in assorted sizes and colors, but here at my Sam's Club, we pretty much only have this funny looking blue color, which is called Spa, but they also have a gray and a beige. We can see we have one more gray left at my Sam's Club. These are priced at $14.60. We have more color options and size options available at samsclub.com if you're willing to spend a little bit more money. In the number 23rd spot, we have the Members Mark. Once again, we have their 4-drawer organizer with an acacia hardwood top. We have the silver color. Now, what's nice about this organizer, its multifunctional design allows you to stack them on top of each other. It has beautiful mesh drawers and 2-inch wheels for easy movement. I like this durable design. It's very nice. Clearance price here is $56.22, but it's not available at samsclub.com. In the number 24 spot, we have a great product. Here we have the Seville Classics. This is their Ultra HD height adjustable workbench, 72 inches in length by 25 inches in diameter. It does adjust from 28.5 inches in height all the way up to 42 inches. Now we have 4 different color options to choose from, but here at Sam's Club at the warehouse, we have the granite color that's on clearance. If you do prefer a different color, maybe you want to put it in your kitchen, you want an all white one, you can pick that up at samsclub.com. It will be a few dollars more, probably around $50 more, but here you can pick it up on clearance for $172.88. In the number 25th spot, this time from Cat, we have their 4-piece ratchet tie-down and cam buckle set. Check out this clearance price, pretty nice. You get 2 16-foot long, 1.5 wide straps here, which is awesome. You can secure so much in the back of your pickup bed. Has that oversized rubber coating, and the ratchet handle does offer nice comfort and nice non-slip grips on them. Here it is, pretty nice product, very cheap at $10.61. I'm definitely going to grab this for myself. Have this in the back of my truck. It's a very useful product. Now this is a 4-piece ratchet tie-down set. Check out that price, $10.61. I'm pretty sure most of you know Sam's Club app is pretty amazing. They have the scan and go feature just like BJ's. You can scan your items in the store, then check out. No need to wait in line. They also have some pretty amazing clearance deals that you can look up on the Sam's Club app, so make sure you check those out. Right in front of us, we have the stainless steel forks, and we have the knives on sale as well. Each one, they're giving you 36 pieces. Check out this price, $4.91 for the dinner forks, and then $5.81 for the knives. These are great to have on hand, especially for those big barbecues for the summertime. Now hang tight, friends, we're pretty much getting pretty close to the finish line. We have the premium plates. We get an 85 count. Now these are also from Members Mark. These are the winter premium plates, 10-inch in size, and we do get 85 in total, which is nice. Now these do have a nice thickness to them. They have a good quality, and these are also on clearance. Here they are, $7.91. And moving on, friends, to the number 28th spot, we have the Campbell's Soup, the cream of mushroom. Here it is directly in front of us, 8 cans in total. A lot of people love the cream of mushroom soup. Me personally, I've never tried it. I know you can use it in a lot of different recipes. Now these are on clearance at Sam's Club. Let's check out that price, only $4.91. We do get an 8-pack. Each can is 10.5 ounces. In the number 29 spot from Premier Protein, we have their high protein shakes, the Winter Mint Chocolate. Now, we do get a 15 pack here. Each bottle is 11 fluid ounces, 30 grams of protein per serving. Now, we've seen this often, a similar product in my Costco video. Here we have the Sam's Club version from Premier Protein. I do like that it has 30 grams of protein per serving. Now, you can also pick this up at samsclub.com for $26.64. Here at the warehouse, $23.91 on clearance. In the number 30 spot, we have the very popular Rock. Now, this is their hyaluronic acid. Now, that does have collagen peptides, clinically proven to reduce dry skin and symptoms. This is their hydration serum. It hydrates and it does visibly reduce lines. 72-hour hydration on clearance for $29.51. And just up ahead from Members Mark, we have another great clearance product. We have their body butter and we have their scrub duo. Check out this package deal. Now, it does exfoliate and it moisturizes your skin, giving you that nice glowing effect. Here from Members Mark, we get a 2-pack. We get a 10 ounce and we get a 24 ounce. Check out that clearance price, $13.91. Now, this next product I've actually never heard of. That's the first coming out of my mouth. This time from Nature Well, we have the Resurfacing Face Polish. Now, pretty interesting product. Does contain vitamin E, and it does exfoliate, giving you a softer, glowing skin. That's what they claim. I don't know too much about this product, but you do get a 2-pack here. Leave a comment below if you're aware of it. $9.91. Now, I did want to buy one of these on my way out, but I did forget. I was pretty disappointed. Now, we have your organic grow kits here. We do get a 2-pack. These are pretty nice. You get pretty much 2 mason jars, and you can grow basil and you can grow mint. So I thought it was pretty fun. You can do it as an adult. You can do it with your kids. I was planning on doing it with my son. So here it is, $9.41. Grow your own basil and grow your own mint in your house. So I thought that was pretty cool. And our final product for today's video, in the number 34 spot, we have the faux 15-inch round boxwood shrubs. Now, these shrubs are rounded just like a ball. They do look pretty amazing, very lifelike, and the reviews are pretty decent as well. So you get the 2 15-inch boxwood shrubs. You also get 2 20-inch metal poles that do attach to the shrubs. That way you can position them in the planter the way you want. Now, these are great for indoor or outdoor use. Both of them are great. No tools are necessary. These are on clearance, $33.70. All right, friends, end of the video here. I hope everyone did enjoy my first Sam's Club video. If you did, leave a comment below. If you want to see more, let us know that. Also, friends, don't forget about my Instagram giveaway. If you enjoyed today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification, and if you want to support me and you want to support my channel, hit that thumbs up button. Also, friends, let me just quickly mention that Instagram giveaway. It does end March 1st at 6 p.m., a free Costco membership. If you don't need the membership, just take the gift and return it to Costco. You'll get a $65 credit, so use that on groceries instead, or you can just give it away, either or. And make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to watch my Amazon video from a couple of days ago. I need everyone to watch that as well. If you could please watch it and hit the thumbs up button, friends. And don't forget, enter that giveaway. Your odds are very good. I'll see you tomorrow with the flash deals for Costco. Peace.